Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you the best Hagobuy spreadsheet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, Hagobuy.com is a website where you can do shopping. So, instead of just aimlessly navigating the website looking for what to buy, this spreadsheet narrows everything down for you. It helps you with the best deals, reliable vendors, has list of product names to prices, along with the shipping estimates. So, if you're looking for items with the lowest prices or with the best product reviews, or you're just looking for a way to do a quick shipping, these tools help you simplify the decision-making process. Now to use it, you can see the name of the items here, a picture to show you what it looks like, and the links. Simply click on the preferred products link and it will take you directly to the website Hagobuy. So you can just look for the product details, get the price equivalent to dollars, and then buy the product. So that's basically the best Hagobuy spreadsheet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.